Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google form you need to change. Sign in with the account that owns or edits the form, then click the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Make sure you have edit access. Without it, you cannot change permissions. Once done, switch to the appropriate tab, General or Responses, so you can immediately locate sharing and respondent options. This early verification avoids wasted steps and keeps changes safe and reversible. You'll now modify who can access the form. Click the three-dot menu and select Add Collaborators to see current editors. Remove any editors you don't want by selecting their entry and choosing Remove, or change their role to Viewer if needed. Next, review link sharing, turn off anyone with the link or switch to Restricted, and add specific email addresses. Once done, save changes so only intended collaborators retain edit rights and respondents keep only the permissions you set. Finish by verifying your edits. Reopen the Add Collaborators dialog and confirm the list matches your intent. Then test access using an alternate account or an incognito window to ensure the form behaves as expected, respondent only versus editor. If someone still has access, make sure the form isn't in a shared drive folder that grants inherited permissions. Move it if necessary. If access persists, revoke link sharing and re-add specific users. This ensures the permission change is complete and reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.